Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be using the Monster Mash kit by Sweet Kawaii Design. I love the color scheme so much, and it's so vibrant, and I'm really excited to use it for this Halloween week. And yeah, so let's just get started. So first I'm going to do the date covers. Yeah, let's start with that. So, how is everyone this week so far? I'm currently filming this on, what is it? Today's Monday. So, the day that this will be going up, it is so rainy outside. Yeah, it was raining all night. So, we had a flash flood warning, but luckily nothing was wrong, so that was good. Today's the 25th. So I mean, these colors are so bright. It's so pretty. Today we don't have, well, actually that's a lie. We have so much to do today. I've been awake, but I'm still so tired today. I don't know. But yeah, we have a lot to do today, so it's gonna be a busy day. Just sucks that it's really gross weather outside. Today we have to, so after work and everything, I'm thinking we'll just have a quick bite to eat, but then, I mean, I don't even know if we have time for that. Might just have to have a late dinner, and then I'll just bring a snack or something in the car. But I have another allergist appointment, and the last allergy test showed I was very allergic to trees and most outdoor things, but they want to do another test. I'm not too sure. Something with a needle. I don't know. I hope it doesn't hurt too much, but it's more just to see if a lot of my problems are also coming from being moderately, I think, allergic to things, and seeing if because I'm moderately allergic to multiple things, it adds up to be bad. I'm not too sure what's going on there, and I think they're doing a food test too, so we'll just see if that has anything to do with it, my issues. So hopefully that doesn't hurt too much. I have no clue. They didn't say if it hurt or not. Okay, so that is 31, which is Halloween. While we're on this, I guess I'll do the the banners, or the washi here. And I'll say probably this eyeball is where it would stop. Straight edge there. And let's see if that worked. Yep. So yeah, that today, and then also, oh gosh, this is, I'm thinking this might be the last month I use this. I'm not too sure. That, and what else was I saying? Yeah, I could have had a little bit more room. That's okay. And then we also have to take our family's, Peter's, oh no, I put this backwards. I wonder if I can, okay, let me fix that. And since I'm here, I can just start on this side. Yeah, so we also have to go to the vet today. And I don't really understand, because our vet doesn't take appointments. I don't think even before COVID they were taking like any appointment or anything like that. So I kind of want to switch vets, because I mean, it's kind of ridiculous too. Sometimes we're waiting like an hour. One time we waited an hour and a half just to to have a check-in. Okay, so I have those. I'm gonna put the weekend sticker on Saturday. Just put that. Try to get it straightish. Okay. And I'm gonna do I'm gonna do the to-do stickers on this side. So we'll start off with Monday. I'll use the green. Yes, so what have you been up to? Do you have a busy week this week or just a pretty chill week? Other than that though, nothing much. Hopefully not too busy. And I'm just hoping that some days this week we'll actually have some sun. I'm not too sure because it is not nice out right now. So I'll just write to-dos on these little banners. I'm almost thinking, just because I literally have no energy today, I think I'm gonna just do a lot of just relaxing music, and you guys can plan along. I'll probably leave some of the actual sound on, but have some light music in the background. And yes, let's do that, you guys, because it is storming outside and it would just be kind of nice to have some relaxing things to plan along with. So I will go ahead and start that, and I'll be right back at the end. Okay, so that is all. I hope you guys enjoyed just a relaxing plan with me this week. And yeah, I think next week we'll go back to normal, or at least, I don't know, maybe I'll do some like this, some like, just regular talking plan with me's. But today just felt right since it was storming out and just really relaxing and peaceful. And I hope you guys enjoyed. If you're not subscribed already, be sure to subscribe just to keep updated with all my newest videos. And I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in my next video.